1977 Chevy Nova is coming up for sale. It's got a 350 rebuilt with a 700R transmission, recent tune-up. Carburetor needs adjusting. It's got a sticky float. He's stuck right in there. Car runs and drives. Tires are okay. It's I mean, interior will need some work. I mean, the carpet looks okay. The shifter, they took the console out. We'll need some door panels, maybe the seats, I don't care. This is what it looks like. It's a hatchback, 1977, up for sale. I'm still doing some work on it, so if anybody's interested, come pick it up. Car's solid on the outside. You know what I mean? It's a hatchback, so yeah, there we go. So if interested, let me know. Registration up to date, title on hand.